Next up, name your poison for Turncoat and spit out the poison for lab rat. In this, we need to take poison from spawn, which you'll find in your messages when you accept these tasks, or of course, if you happen to lose it in battle, you can always buy a new one from either lab rat or actually I think it's Turncoat that you'll buy the poison from. Anyways, with it in your inventory, you'll need to head all the way across to Fort Marith in the far southwest side of the map over here, and at the northmost barracks right over here at the bottom center of 132, 141, you'll find this water truck over here. You'll need to fight your way through thousands and thousands of AI until you get to the bottom left corner here, and eventually when you get here, you'll have the opportunity to either use your poison on the faucet here by hitting F here, or by crouching down and placing it just underneath here by hitting F down there. Either way, you'll complete the task for one of them and the other one will fail pretty much automatically. I'd recommend you do this for Turncoat as you've probably already pretty much maxed out lab rat completely. Anyways, it's up to you, whichever one you want to hand it into, depending on your previous choices will probably make a difference here. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.